सुरू झाला.
Multiple antenna high power ionizers for pollution control are developed by Dr. D.V. Jadhav, and now we see its applications. For example, there are atmospheric problems. Tropospheric ozone is increased by 35% since last 150 years. Hence, 40% agricultural yield decrease and airborne diseases are increased. Good negative ions are decreased due to the pollution, and rainfall is reduced by 12%, and erraticness of weather has increased. Due to pollution, bad positive air ions are increased and negative ions are decreased. In this case, to this, the basic pollutants in the atmosphere are suspended particles, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, volatile organic compounds, ozone, and some other gases are also there. Airborne viruses, bacteria, and pollen grains are there in the atmosphere. Now, our aim is to either decompose these pollutants or settle down these elements without adding any additional molecules in the atmosphere. So, this is question of developing technology. For example, in case of ozone, we have performed some experiments. So now, these dotted lines are shown for various places. Say, for example, Pune. We have taken observations in Pune for ozone, and at the same time, we took observations of the growth of the maize crop at Pune, Joharpur, Mullanagar, Bhenda, and Mahabaleshwar. Now, at these places, these observations are there. Say, for example, this triangular graph is for Mahabaleshwar. So now you see that during morning to evening, this ozone densities are not coming down, and ozone is poisonous gas. That's why we are saying that Mahabaleshwar is very nice place to stay. But from ozone point of view, Mahabaleshwar is not suitable for staying because these densities are not coming down throughout the day. Say, for example, Pune. In Pune, this dotted line is there. During night time, ozone is very, very less, and during daytime it is increasing, and during evening also decreasing. But in case of suspended particles, in Pune, suspended particles are 10 times more than other villages where we have taken the observation. So in this way, from point of view of ozone, villages are also not safe from air pollution point of view, and from ozone point of view, Pune is nice, but from suspended particles point of view, Pune is not good because it is giving higher pollutants during suspended particles throughout the day. Say, for example, we have performed the experiment for plant growth, maize growth at three different locations. Say, for example, in Pune, agriculture college is at the center of the Pune, and this red curve shows the growth of the maize in Pune. Similarly, Belsar and Mutha are the rural stations. Say, for example, this is Belsar. This maize growth is very nearly 60 times less compared to Pune, and this Mutha is a really very nice rural station, and very good amount of trees are there. It is just like hill station, but growth of maize is 50% less compared to Pune. So in this case, what we have observed? We have observed that the crop yield is very nice in Pune, and it is 50 to 60% less in rural stations. So now, from growth point of view, it is difficult to say that we have got good natural environment in the country, because in villages we are growing plants and crops, and in cities there is no growth of plants, but in cities there is more growth of the plants, and in villages there is less growth of plants. So in this way, ozone is a serious problem from the point of view of the um, growth of the plants or agricultural point of view. Now this is the problem. So how we can solve this problem? Say for example, for solving these above problems, negative air ion generators will solve these problems. Say for example, negative air ions, when we put in the atmosphere, they will decompose ozone production gas. That's why ozone production will reduce and the ozone problem we can eliminate. Similarly, airborne particles are also settled down and suspended particles problems which are responsible for respiratory diseases, that is also solved. This is native ions are useful for plants and animals. Say for example, most of the diseases which are due to the suspended particles and ozone will be reduced drastically in the presence of negative ions, and at the same time in international level it is observed that in the atmosphere of negative ions the plant growth is a 1.5 to 2 times more. These negative ions also kills virus bacteria in the atmosphere. So this is only possible to solve the above problems by negative ions. Negative ions are nothing but oxygen oxygen molecule on which one electron is attached. So this is also known as superoxide, and this is useful for growth of the plants and animals and for increasing the resistivity of the plants and animals. Our aim is that we have to produce maximum number of negative ions without producing the harmful ozone.